Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and today I wanted to continue my series of videos on anti-ERM. So talking or providing alternative point of views on some of the most common misconceptions in risk management. And today, this video I wanted to dedicate to yet another video I've watched on the Risk Doctor channel, and the topic of the video was, is risk management necessary, equally applicable or important for small and medium-sized enterprises? And again, not so much the response, but the actual question is so fundamentally flawed that I just had to respond to it because I'm in this amazing location somewhere near Pyrenean mountains in Spain, and it felt like an appropriate spot to break yet another myth about risk management. So is risk management equally applicable for medium-sized enterprises, small businesses, entrepreneurs, and the kind of the answer is in rephrasing the question. Risk management, and this is why I think it's very important, risk management is ultimately about appreciating that the future is uncertain and there are multiple possible scenarios of how things may turn out to be. And that, like, if you appreciate that risk management is all about understanding not a single preferred option, but alternative scenarios for whatever the business undertaking, whatever personal undertaking you are doing, you realize that risk management is equally applicable in our personal lives, in our kids' lives, in our grandparents' lives, in our small businesses, in our medium-sized businesses, in large corporations. It actually makes no difference whatsoever in terms of applicability. Risk management is applicable at any situation where a decision has to be made that is associated with high level of uncertainty. The only difference between small businesses and large corporations in your personal life is the type of tools to analyze that uncertainty that you would use. So large corporations would usually use Monte Carlo simulations to simulate a large number of scenarios. Small-sized businesses would use scenarios or sensitivity analysis. They would look at their business plan, and they would test, well, what will happen if the foreign exchange changes? What will happen if our sales drop? What will happen if our prices increase? So they try and test different hypotheses using basic risk management tools, which is sensitivity and scenario analysis. Any small business that has a business plan in Excel can apply those simple tools. In our personal lives, I mean, I had a budget for my wedding, so yes, I did actually do some basic scenarios on that, some sensitivity analysis to see how sensitive our budget was to different types of spending. But for other life decisions, a simple decision tree drawn on a piece of paper or a napkin would be sufficient. And all of those tools are risk management tools. So what this means is that risk management is equally applicable in absolutely any given situation which has a lot of uncertainty. And the more uncertainty, the more money at stake, the better the risk management tools are. For example, if I was a small business and I had a multi-million-dollar contract or government contract, maybe like some amazing opportunity happened that I had a multi-million-dollar contract, I would most definitely use the most sophisticated risk tools available, regardless whether I'm a small company or a large company. Similarly, in large corporations, if it's a small procurement project, I wouldn't use Monte Carlo simulation. So risk management, of course, is equally applicable in any situation. The only real difference is the tools that you apply at a given point in time. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Do write underneath this video. For now, for me, thank you and goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe to the Risk Academy channel for 400 more videos like that. See you soon.